Pay up. To give someone the money that you owe them. I had to pay up for the movie tickets before we could enter. The landlord asked us to pay up the rent by the end of the month. Come into. To inherit or receive money or property. She came into a small inheritance from her grandparents. He hopes to come into some money when he sells his old car. Cut back on. To reduce spending or consumption. We need to cut back on eating out to save money. The company decided to cut back on expenses during the economic downturn. Cough up. To give or pay money, especially when you do not really want to. I had to cough up $50 to repair the broken window. The students had to cough up the money for the school trip. Pay back. To return money that was borrowed. I'll pay you back the $20 I borrowed last week. It's important to pay back loans on time to maintain a good credit score. Fork out. To pay a large amount of money, usually reluctantly. We had to fork out a lot of money for the unexpected medical expenses. He reluctantly forked out cash for the expensive concert tickets. Chip in. To contribute a share of money towards a common expense. Can you chip in $10 for the birthday gift? Everyone chipped in to cover the cost of the office party. Wipe off. To reduce or eliminate something, including a debt or a financial burden. The bonus helped wipe off a significant portion of her credit card debt. Winning the lottery would wipe off all my financial worries. Save up. To accumulate money over time by saving. I'm saving up for a new laptop. We need to save up for our upcoming vacation. Pay in. To put money into a bank account. I'll pay in a check for the rent this month. It's convenient to pay in cash for small purchases. Take out. To withdraw money from a bank or financial institution. She needed to take out money from the ATM. They decided to take out a loan to buy a car. Pay off. To completely repay a debt. Finally, she paid off her student loans after years of hard work. Making extra payments helped us pay off the mortgage early. Run into. To encounter unexpected expenses or debts. We ran into unexpected expenses when the car broke down. They ran into financial difficulties after losing their jobs. Add up. To total or accumulate. I didn't realize how the small expenses would add up so quickly. It's essential to keep track of your spending to see how it all adds up. Get by. To manage to live with the money one has, especially when it's not much. Despite the low salary, she manages to get by with careful budgeting. Families in developing countries often struggle to get by with limited resources.